Hello everyone, I am Assistant Professor Yasvi Shedale from Agricultural Engineering Department. In last session we learned about cost of operation of tractor or implement. Okay. In this session we will learn about the examples from practical number 5. The syllabus for the practical and theory is almost same. So whatever the part which is uncommon, that will be covered in the practical sessions. Okay, basically examples will be covered from the practical sessions. Okay, now let's see the first example. A farmer purchased a 35 HP wheel type tractor at a total cost of rupees 3,50,000 and a 3 bottom plow with 30 centimeter bottom width at rupees 6,000. Okay, and the fuel consumption of the tractor was 6 liter per hour at a plow speed of 5 kilometer per hour. So what we have to calculate in this example, calculate area of plowed per hour. Okay, total area plowed per hour, and determine the cost of plowing per hectare. Okay, now first entity we will calculate area covered. Okay, so basic formula for that, W by or W into S. W means width of the implement into S means speed of the tractor or total speed of the implement. Okay, now here the answer should be in hectare. Okay, because here we have to calculate the cost of plowing per hectare, so area covered should be in hectare. So for that purpose the speed should be in meter. Okay, so here we will convert the speed into the meter per hour. So 5 kilometer means how many meter? 5 into 1000. Okay, so here 5 into 1000, and again there is a plow bottom. The width of one plow bottom that is about 30 centimeter, and there are 3 plow bottoms. So here 30 into 3. Okay, so we will get the total implement width. Okay, divided by 100. Why this quantity is here? Because 30 centimeter, this quantity is in centimeter, so we have to convert it into meter. So here divided by 100 into 10,000. Why? Because 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. Okay, so by dividing this, whatever the quantity will comes in hectare. Okay, so after putting all the values we will get the final answer 0.45 hectare. So total area covered per hour, that is 0.45 hectare. Okay, now the second thing in this example, determine the cost of plowing per hectare. Okay, so for that we have to calculate operational cost of tractor and then cost of operation for plow also. Okay, so let's see the first cost of operation for the tractor. We know that all the formulas we already discussed about in last session. Okay, so first cost, that is depreciation cost, and formula is C minus S divided by L into H. Okay, now here some data is not given, so that data we have to assume here. So the life of the tractor is considered here, that is about 10 years, and total working hours are considered 1000 hours. Okay, so by putting all the values in this formula, we get the depreciation cost, that is rupees 34.65. Okay, now here S it is the salvage value. Okay, and that is considered as a 10% of the initial cost. So here 3,500. Okay, that is the 10% of 3,50,000. Okay, so the answer will be 34.65 rupees depreciation cost. Now I means total interest cost is equal to C plus S divided by 2 into I divided by H, and this cost for per hour. Okay, so we know that initial cost, then salvage value divided by 2 into, now here interest rate is considered as a 12%, and that percent is converted into decimal. So 0.12 divided by total working hours 1000, so is equal to 21.21 rupees will be the total interest cost. Okay, now next point, that is repair and maintenance cost at the 10% of the initial cost. So 10% of 3,50,000 rupees, that will be 35,000, and total working hours are 1,000. So here 10% of initial cost divided by 1,000. So for 1 hour the repair and maintenance cost will be 35 rupees per hour. Okay, same here, taxes, housing, maintenance cost, that is considered as a 3% of initial cost. So the answer will be 10.5 rupees per hour. Okay, then fuel cost, here we considered fuel cost, that is 45 per liter, and we know that in the data given is that the fuel consumption is 6 liter per hour. Okay, so 45 into 6, so the total fuel cost for per hour, that will be 270 rupees. Okay, then after that lubricants, at which are considered 30% of fuel cost, so the answer will be rupees 81 per hour. Then wages are considered here 50 rupees per day of 8 hours, so for 1 hour the cost will be 6.25 rupees. Okay, so the total cost of operation for the tractor for per hour, by adding all these values, the total cost of operation we will get here rupees 458.46 per hour. Okay, now next, cost of operation for plow, same formulas we have to use here. So depreciation cost, same formula, C minus PS divided by L into H. Now here is the here we are calculating the cost of operation for plow. Okay, so we know that the cost of the plow is already given in the data, that is 6,000 rupees, and salvage value, that is the 10% of 6,000, so here minus 600, and L, total life of the implement is considered here 8 years, and total hours are considered 300 hours. Okay, so 8 into 300, the value will be 2400. Okay, then after calculating or putting all these values in this formula, we get the depreciation cost, that is rupees 2.25 per hour. Okay, then by putting all the values in the formula of interest cost, we get the final answer 1.32 rupees per hour. Okay, after that, repair and maintenance cost, 10% of the initial cost, so here 600 per year, and for per hour, that is 2 rupees per hour. Okay, the next, housing cost. Okay, so housing cost is as we know that usually housing cost is taken as a 1% of initial cost, so 0.20 rupees per hour. Okay, after that, cost of plowing. Okay, in this case, in case of plow, there is no requirement of insurance, so insurance cost is not considered here. So cost of plowing is equal to, by adding all these values, we will get the final cost of plowing, that is rupees 5.77 rupees per hour. Okay, then total cost of plowing with a tractor. Okay, considering the cost of plowing with tractor and operation cost of tractor plus cost of plowing of the implement, so the total cost here rupees 464.23 per hour. Okay, now we have to calculate here the cost of plowing per hectare. Okay, we already calculate the total area covered, so the total cost of plowing with the tractor divided by 0.45, so is equal to rupees 1031.62 per hectare. Next example, determine the horsepower required to pull a 4-bottom 30 cm plow working to depth of 15 cm. The tractor is operating at a speed of 6 km per hour and the soil resistance is 0.7 kg per centimeter square. Okay, now here we have to calculate horsepower required, and for the formula to calculate the HP required is equal to draft into speed into 1000 divided by 75 into 3600. Okay, so how we can calculate the total draft? So formula for the total draft is equal to soil resistance into furrow cross section. Okay, and furrow cross section here 1800. Okay, how it is calculated? By depth, multiplication of depth and width of the plow. Okay, so here already given one bottom width of the plow, that is 30 centimeter. Okay, so there are total 4 bottoms, so 30 into 4 it will be 120. Okay, so 120 into 15, so here furrow cross section is equal to 1800. Okay, now this value 1800 is used to calculate the total draft. So soil resistance into furrow cross resistance, so here final value is here 1260 kg. Okay, so total draft is here 1260 kg. Okay, then by putting all the values like total draft, then speed, okay, we get the final pull final horsepower required to pull that particular implement, that will be 28 horsepower. Okay, now the third and last example, total draft of 4 bottom 40 centimeter MB plow when plowing depth is 17.5 centimeter deep at 5.5 kilometer per hour, speed is 1700 kg. Okay, so total draft is here 1700 kg. Now let's see the necessary requirements we have to calculate in this example. So calculate the unit draft in kg per centimeter square, then actual power requirements, it means how much horsepower is required. Then if the field efficiency is 75%, then what is the rate of doing work in hectare per hour? So indirectly here total area covered in hectare per hour. Okay, so for this example we have to calculate unit draft, then actual power requirement and rate of doing work in hectare per hour. Okay, now let's see the solution. This is the data is given here. Number of plow bottoms is equal to 4, then depth of plowing is equal to 70.5 centimeter. Field efficiency is given 75%, bottom size 40 centimeter, and tractor speed is given here 5.5 kilometer per hour. Okay, now let's calculate the total width of plowing. Okay, because by calculating the total width of plowing we can calculate the furrow cross sectional area, and so from this data we can calculate unit draft. Okay, so bottom size, total width of plowing is equal to bottom size into number of bottoms. Okay, so bottom size is given here 40 centimeter into 4, so the total width of plowing will be 160 centimeter. Okay, and in meter 1.60 meter. Okay, now furrow cross sectional area is equal to total plowing width into plowing depth, so 160 into 17.5 centimeter, so the answer will be 2800 in centimeter square. This is area, so the unit in square. Okay, centimeter square. Now formula for unit draft is equal to total draft divided by furrow cross sectional area. Total draft is already given, that is 1700 kg, so divided by 2800 centimeter square, that is the furrow cross sectional area, so the answer will be 0.607 kg per centimeter square. Okay, now power required. Okay, we already discussed about this formula in last example, draft into speed into 1000 divided by 75 into 3600. Okay, so by putting all the necessary data in this formula we get the final answer, that will be 34.63 horsepower. So this okay, so this power is required for this condition. Okay, now area covered per hectare per hour, so for that formula is equal to W into S divided by 10 into field efficiency. Okay, field efficiency is given in percentage, we have to convert it into decimal. So here 0.75. Okay, and width, for this example width should be in meter, so 1.60 into 5.5. okay, so the answer will be 0.66 hectare per hour. Okay.